go, folks. Here we are. Hello, Solstice. Alright, Gillette Stadium, Patriot Place. First masscruisers cruise night of the season. Beautiful weather for it. Let's go. What a mix here. We've got a Ford Focus ST, Pontiac Solstice, newer Mustang, Audi, and my sloppy jalopy Trans Am here. Y'all are going the wrong way, bro. Unless you get Chick-fil-A first. Anywho, we're off to the BassPro parking lot of Gillette Stadium, Patriot Place. Let's see what we see. Some lady already made my day on my way here. Old 80s Volvo, a very feminine tattooed arm extended out to give me a big thumbs up. So of course I gave her a nice big rev in appreciation of her appreciation of this sloppy jalopy Trans Am. Thank you. Over here we've got all the show cars. Chick-fil-A set up their own tent. I might still hit up the taco truck guys. But you know what? Whatever vendor sponsorship keeps this night going, I'm for it. Especially with the cash donations for the local food bank. Great cause. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Just noticing now that that Mustang up ahead was a Shelby. Nice. Hello. Thank you kindly. Take care. 27 Cobra right behind me. I'm assuming it's a kid car, but wicked awesome. '83. Real close. Check out this old over here. Let me not run anybody over. Jim's 88, BassPro Shop's Cruise Nights staple. That is a mint 88 Super Sport Monte Carlo. Yeah, I know I said it backwards. Monte Carlo SS. Spot in row 14, which is where I tend to park. Oh, I see a Camaro. I park next to him. Yeah, that's where I'm parking. Right by the porta potties. We're here, folks.